How to download voice message on Instagram. If you're wondering whether you can download voice message on Instagram or not, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to download voice message on Instagram in some simple and easy steps. So let's get started. First things first, open your Instagram app and make sure you're logged into your account. Now go to your profile tab at the bottom. From there, simply you can find the three horizontal bars. Simply tap on it. Tap on your activity. Now tap on download your information. Now simply tap on download or transfer information at the top. Here you can choose whether you want to download all available information or some. I'm going to be choosing some. Now scroll down until you find an option that says messages and click on next. Tap on download to device. Here choose the date range. I'm going to be choosing last week as my voice message was from last week. Click on create files. Now your messages or voice messages will be ready in a certain date, and that's it. That's how you can simply download voice message on Instagram.